So in this EQ Bank tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to link external bank accounts here on EQ Bank. So once EQ Bank is opened up, what I want you to do is go to the bottom bar to where it says transfer. In between bills and dashboard, press transfer. Then on this page right here at the bottom, a second from the bottom, it says link external accounts. Go ahead and select that. It'll then bring you to this page right here where you can go ahead and move money from another bank account. So you can select your bank, link up to 10 accounts at a time, move up to $100,000 with no EQ Bank fees, etc. Start earning interest if this looks good to you. Go to the bottom and press on link accounts. It'll then bring you to this screen right here where you can go ahead and select your institution. So if you have bank accounts through TD, CIBC, RBC, Tangerine, Scotiabank, etc. Wealthsimple, Simply, basically all the banks that are being offered right here. You can go ahead and select your institution. So in this case, for example, if you had a bank account through TD, you can go ahead and select that. It'll then bring you to this screen right here where you can log into your accounts, signing in with your username, password, etc. Press continue, and then you can go through the steps that way of linking your bank account with your EQ Bank account here on EQ Bank. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how to link external bank accounts on EQ Bank. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.